Alright guys, what is up and what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today, I've been waiting to do this video for a long time. I've had the parts, I just didn't have all the right stuff to get this done, but let me show you what's in this box. This is some great stuff. As you know, in the last video, what we did was we repaired all of the broken tabs from my old lower fairings that I got, but here are the new lower fairings, guys. Let me show you. Ready? Boom. These are insane. These are carbon, full carbon, 100% fairings from TeraCarbon. I mean, let me just show you in the sun, guys. This is insane. Look at this. Oh my god. But yeah, we got the lower under fairings for the Kiwi. And let's see. This, I think this is... Yep, this is the other side. Oh, and it has the heat wrap for the exhaust, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is one side, and then let's unpackage this side too. Give me one sec here. So yeah, this is the other side too. Yeah, I'm gonna put these in the sun and show you how insane these look real quick. Oh my god, just look at this. Insane quality. They were a bit pricey, which is why it took me forever to get them, but oh my god. And I also got some mounting hardware that I need, because there's like a bracket that goes across, and then the rivets. I'll open those up in a sec. So yeah, let's go ahead and fit the carbon up. Hopefully fits perfect. Hopefully my holes that I made, hopefully my fixes to the fairings that I made work as well. And I also got the necessary mounting bolts that go inside those holes, and the little rubber stopper things that they screw into. So let's go ahead and get everything fitted up and let's see how it looks. Okay, so I got everything kind of in its place. Here are the OEM Kawasaki rivets that I ordered, and this lower cowl bracket that goes like somehow underneath there and holds the two pieces together. So let's go ahead and just kind of fit everything up. We're gonna take these rubber things that go, let me just show you real quick. So yeah, we're gonna take these rubber things that are attached to this screw, and they're just gonna slide right in there, and that's what we're gonna screw the fairings in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that all around. I might even just put some glue on there just so they don't fall out and they stay in place. So, and we might need to drill this hole out a tiny bit too, because it might be a little too small, but we're gonna figure all that out right now. Let's do it. Alright guys, so if you can see here, I got all the rubber little gaskets in the hole, into the holes. The things that have the little screw at the end, if you could see right here, they just have the little screw in part that the bolts screw into. So all those are in. I kind of aligned this, and it's all ready to go on. So let's throw this piece on and see how it looks. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see. I'll take it on the sun later, but this side is pretty much dialed in, and look how nice this looks. Oh my god. It's starting to look like a sport bike again. Alright, let's go ahead and finish everything up, do the other side, and put that little bracket that connects both of them on, and we'll see how she looks. Let's go. Alright y'all, so the bike is done. Check this out. Alright guys, so after a bunch of fitment and adjustment, this is all done and ready to go. So look at that carbon. I'm about to bring it out into the sun and then show you actually how it looks, because it's dark in here. But basically the only thing is that if you see all those tabs that are here and at the bottom down here, I had to use zip ties for them because the carbon wasn't, it was just kind of far from the holes, the mounting holes, so the zip ties kind of helped clamp it together, and you can't even tell. And if you go underneath too, nice and clean look. I got the little cowl, I got this, like whatever this thing's called, the bracket mounted, and the holes that I basically, when I fix my my fenders, you can kind of see in there, the holes lined up. I just had to adjust some stuff with the Dremel, and boom, boom. This thing is like, it's not going anywhere. It's on there. So let me look at this side real quick. It's on this side. Everything lined up really good. Nice and solid. All these bolts are in, and the bike is ready to go, guys. Let me bring her out into the sun and show you how this carbon looks. So stay tuned. Alright, so check this out. Look at that. Good thing I polished the exhaust too, because now that thing looks so fresh. Oh my god, it looks like a sport bike again. Oh my god. Look at that carbon. It looks unreal. Look at that. So I hope you guys liked that little carbon install video. It was long overdue. The bike looks insane right now, so stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I wanna run with you.